Hey, my name is Ricardo and I'm a cadet for the Park Rangers in the city of Austin. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Seek.
Alright, so go ahead and open up the app. When you open up the app, a window is going to pop up giving you a basic overview on how to use the app and share your finds within the community. Go ahead and click continue. In the bottom middle, there's going to be a camera button. Go ahead and click that icon and it should ask for camera access. So after allowing this camera access, you want to go ahead and point your tablet or your smartphone's camera towards this object or wildlife that you want to identify. Give it a little bit of time, and on this top bar it'll give you all of the identification that it could verify. In this instance, I'm having trouble getting the species of this mushroom, so I'm going to go ahead and snap a picture of it, and with this picture it'll allow me to post it to the database and have some people try and help identify, or I can search nearby species in the area to see if they look similar.
And that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching.